Welcome. In this video I can show you how to hide apps on Realme 16 Pro. In previous video I showed you how to lock apps with the password, but now I can show you how to hide it from the main menu. To do that, first you should open Settings, then scroll down and find Security and Privacy, then scroll again, and here find Hide Apps. Confirm your security password if you have. If you don't, it will ask you about creating password. And here you should select the access method. So if you want, you can enable it on home screen folder, but the safer method is access code in the phone app. So click Settings, and here you can set up access code. For example, 159369, for example, right? And enter hash. Cool. Oh, so sorry, it should start with hash. So at the very beginning, set the hash, and at the end, set hash 2. Click done, add apps, and for example, I want to hide for example, Instagram application, and click completely hide. And this app will no longer appear on the home screen, in notification, or in search results. It will also appear as not installed in Play Store, in Play Market. Okay, so click done, and let's hide, for example, YouTube. But we can't hide YouTube permanently. We can do it only with installed apps. For example, Spotify. Completely hide. So as you can see now, Spotify is here. Yeah. Spotify is here. I can open it. But now, when I'm selecting Spotify and clicking completely hide, now it's hidden. And I can see all my hidden applications. So, how to access to Instagram or to Spotify right now, in my case? I should open phone application, then click keypad, enter hash and my super security password. Click hash again, and here I have my hidden apps. That's it. Hope this video was helpful. Please consider to leave a like and a comment below. See you.